Hey, how is it going, everyone? Abdul Malik here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well today. Today we are going to learn about how to recreate Snapchat. This is the first screen we are going to create. So let's go ahead and get started. Open up your Xcode, create a new project, single view application, project name Snap, create, and then head over to main. And then actually what we are going to do is we need to drag this picture here. I'm going to provide the link for this picture down below, and then go over to library and then filter for button. Let's drag it out here. First of all, go over to inspector size, then give it a height of 50, and then drag it all the way here and here also. Then we're going to give it we're going to give our button a name, and then we're going to change and then log in. Also we're going to duplicate by pressing Command D, then drag it down below. And what we have to do is we need to give our button a color. So in the inspector attribute, scroll down to background and then choose custom, and then click on this little ink here, and then go over to this picture, yeah, then voila. After that, go and do the same for login screen also. For our login screen, for our login button. Then, awesome. Then for our background, color to yellow also. Choose custom. Then this pink or whatever it is. Then I want to change the name to sign up. Actually, they are all in caps, so log in. Sign up. And then we're going to select all of these buttons here. Then go to font, system, and choose custom. And we are going to use this font here, Helvetica. Click on it. We don't want regular, we want medium, and we want the width to be, and we want the size of our font to be 25. Yeah, 25 is okay. And then we need to change the text color to white. Yeah, I think we need to give it more height. Let's select both of these both of these buttons here, and then let's give them the height of, let's say 60. No, let's make it 70. Yeah, 70 is okay. And also let's drag this sign up button all the way here and login screen here. So let's give our button some an alignment. Choose sign up button and then add new constraint, left, right, button, and height. do the same for login also. Put in this and hide. Interesting. And now I think all the warnings should go. Okay. So go over to library also, choose and filter for image view, and let's change the size. Let's change the width and the height of this image view to 120 by 120, and also do it here, and let's give it the constraint. Please, you are going to press Ctrl and drag here, hide for the width also, and then drag all the way to here, and then select top side to save area, and also center horizontal in save guide. So now how can we get this image here? Or what you have to do is open and select all the way here, and press Command C and Command N, and then hit save, Command S, and then we're going to save it in our desktop. Save it as logo. Okay. So now head over to your Xcode, and then head over to Asset, and then find let's look for this logo here, drag it all the way in here, and then head over to the Storyboard, and let's select this image here. I think it looks a lot more better, right? So let's head over to launch screen also, select and change the background. No, actually we're not going to do that. We're going to select this recent use colors. Okay. And then let's run our application and see. Okay. Our buttons are working here. And we have one last thing. Let's change this app icon. We don't want this default. So stop your Xcode. I'm going to turn on my wireless, and then I will go ahead and open up Safari. Then I'm going to this website, appicon.co. Hit enter. Now select this, and this, and only make this iPhone toggle on, and then we are going to use this logo here also. Drag it all the way to here, and then generate. After you've done that, you will see your icon, your app icon downloaded. So let's go to its location and let's double click on it, then open the folder. So let's go back to our Xcode, and then head over to Assets, right click on any image here, show in Finder, and then what you have to do is just drag this downloaded icon and then replace it. So after you done that, yeah, go ahead and run Xcode. Now we have this tiny problem. So you see icon. So in order for us to fix this issue, go back to the project and click this and make it iPhone. I believe that will fix the problem. Let's build application. Yeah. So now this is what we have our funnel. This is our funnel project here. So this is what we have here. So in the next video we are going to learn how to create the login. So if you really enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and also comment. It really doesn't matter about the comment. You can leave negative or positive.